Deakin University has over 10 years of deep collaboration with Royal Institute of Colombo. It's one of our key partners globally. So benefits to the students under that arrangement is that from year one here at Royal Institute of Colombo, the students can be studying Deakin curriculum with the support of Deakin staff in collaboration with the teachers and the lecturers here at Royal Institute of Colombo.
The partnership between RIC and Deakin is a really excellent opportunity for students in Sri Lanka to spend their first year of university at RIC and to start their tertiary education in country.
This RIC pathway is very beneficial for students in number of ways, and it is evident from the performance of RIC students at Deakin. So if you look at the past performance of all Sri Lankan students, I can clearly say that RIC students stand out.
I actually have very good experience with RIC students, and I found they're really good students. They're very motivated and they're doing quite well. Some example would include one of the RIC student who completed his Bachelor there, now doing PhD with me. So he worked as a research assistant for a few years and joined as a PhD student. In 2020, he will actually graduate or submit his thesis this year.